Kelly Wood. I live in Dorley and the landlord is Simple Life. I was looking for something in the area as we needed somewhere with my daughter's school. My friends purchased a property on this site. Although we hadn't seen it ourselves, it prompted us to come down and have a look. And as soon as we came down and had a look, we just fell in love with it and knew we just had to have one. What struck out for me with Simple Life in this property was it was a brand new build, so that was great. So it's a blank canvas to move in. It's a big house. The maintenance as well. We don't have to worry. I can ring somebody up. It's 24/7. If there's any issues, they're straight there. It's just done. Get it fixed rather than going through a normal private landlord that it would have to take weeks to get fixed, to come out, and it just makes things a lot easier. We spend most of our time in the kitchen. It's just so big, airy. It's a real family home kitchen, so I can be cooking tea and my daughter's doing her homework or doing her crafting and glitter everywhere. With the double doors to the garden as well, it just really brings the garden as an extra room rather than just somewhere else you can go. Everything's just so much bigger, which is fabulous. The front room's nice and cosy as well. Now the winter nights are coming as well, so we are spending a little bit more time, but most of our time is spent in the kitchen with the telly on and radio, dancing around. It's a really satisfying feeling knowing that my landlord is looking after our needs, and we don't have to have that worry that, are they going to sell? Is it going to take time to do this? It's just such peace of mind to know that everything's done, the house is looked after, and the landlord's keen to keep the upkeep of it as well. It's just been a great experience. They're a great company, give you peace of mind. Just don't have to worry about anything with them.